We're going to talk about how you find the range of a data set. If you take a look at number one, we have a list of numbers here. However, they're completely out of order. And I always recommend to students to first order your numbers from least to greatest. So when you talk about topics like median and interquartile range and mean absolute deviation, order is very important when you deal with those. So I just want students to build a habit of ordering their numbers from least to greatest just to make life easier in any topic you talk about within data. Right, so let's go ahead and order our numbers from smallest to largest. So our smallest value is 5, and I want to make sure to cross out each one so I don't forget any. Then we have 9, 11, we have 13, 15, and finally we have 20. Now, range is the easiest topic you can really talk about in data. It's the largest number, in this case 20, minus the smallest number, which is 5. So 20 minus 5 is going to give us a range of 15. However, I have seen so many mistakes when finding the range. If students choose to not order their numbers from least to greatest, they may potentially pick the second largest number or the second smallest number and subtract them. That's why, again, I recommend ordering from least to greatest, taking your time on it. Again, there's no need to rush when you're doing things like this. Okay, range should be the easiest points you ever get. Okay, now let's go ahead and move on to number 2. Again, we're going to order our numbers from least to greatest here, taking my time while ordering. So we have 6, cross it out. We have 11, followed by 16, 31, and finally we have 49. Again, we're taking our largest and our smallest values. So 49 minus 6 is going to give us a range of 43. Now, before you go, I have 2 problems I want you to try on your own. So I encourage you to pause the video here, try out 3 and 4 just on a sheet of paper, and then when you think you have both the answers, come back and play the video and see if you got them both right. So I'm assuming at this point you've paused the video, tried out 3 and 4, and now let's go ahead and go over it. So let's take a look at number 3. Let's order them from least to greatest. So we have 4, followed by 5, then we have 10, 17, and finally we have 33. Again, take your largest and your smallest values. Let's go ahead and subtract those. So 33 minus 4 is going to give us a range of 29. So hopefully you got 29 for number 3. And now let's do the last one here. So a little bit longer. Looks like we have 7 numbers this time. So we have 3. We have 8. Looks like we have 34 next. 55. 76, 91, and finally 98. Largest value is 98, smallest is 3, so 98 minus 3 is going to give us a range of 95. Hopefully this video helps you guys out in finding the range of a data set. I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and I'll see you in the next one.